This one I think we already finished. Okay, we'll proceed further. In the figure shown below, the charge on the left plate, I'm going to show the figure. The charge on the left plate of the 10 microfarad is minus 30 microcoulomb. Charge on the right plate of the 6 microfarad capacitor is. Okay, several choices are given. So this is the circuit given. Charge on the left plate of the 10 microfarad is minus 30 here. The left plate minus 30 microcoulomb. You are expected to find, or you are asked to find, charge on the right plate of 6 microfarad capacitor. MCQ, so 4 choices are given. Anybody? Just try.
So 1 minute, sir.
Let me explain this to you. As I told, the answer as plus 18, but explanation should be there. Of course, you don't have to give the explanation for this in the exam, but to do this problem, you should have the explanation in your mind. See, generally this problem, if you refer to books, this will be there in many books meant for entrance exams, or it may be there in internet or whatever it is. So my idea is, people will be doing it by very long method. This and that, this divide, that multiply, this. But you see, just you should take only 1 or 2 seconds to do this problem. Because this is, you'll have to answer as many questions as possible in a given or in a limited time. You cannot be using time as you do in the board exam. So your mind should think very fast. So you should do it in a very smart way. Okay, just look at the options given. Numerically, there are only 2 answers, 12 and 18. Maybe this is plus 12, this is minus 12, plus 18, minus 18. But value wise, numerically, only 12 and 18. But suppose first you find what is the charge on this. Then you can think about plus or minus. Okay. So there are only 2 answers, in fact, numerically speaking. Only 12 and 18. Now what you should do, I told you already, this is obviously parallel combination. In parallel combination, charge divides in the direct ratio of capacitances. That is, greater the capacitance, more is the charge. So out of the 2, this is greater capacitance. Out of the 2, this is greater charge. So 18 microcoulomb. No calculations, nothing. If you refer to books meant for this JEE Main or JEE Advanced, they will give you a very exhaustive solution. But not necessary. You should be using your presence of mind. You have to do it in a smart way. Just analyze what are all the options given. Only 2, 12 and 18. Numerically. Plus and minus we will discuss. That will also take only 1 second. Okay. So what concept you have to use? Parallel combination. The charge divides in the direct ratio of capacitances. So greater capacitance will have greater charge out of the 2. So 18 microcoulomb. No calculations, nothing. Right? As I already told you, I just took it from one book because I don't have the original paper with me. That book he gave half page with the half page or 3/4 page solution. Not necessary. Very simple.
Sir, how can we solve that elaborately, sir?
Elaborately, here no need. Elaborately, if you want to solve, you will have to find out. He said, first I'll finish off this, then I'll come to that. Elaborate solving or subjective type if it is. If the options are not given, how to do that, we will see. But before that solution I haven't put here, but I will explain. But first I'll solve this. So 18 microcoulomb we decided, but he is asking only on this plate, not on the full capacitor. So, but he has given charge on the left plate of the 10 microfarad is minus 30 here. Charge here is minus 30. So I told whatever I have told, it's given here. Charge on this minus 30, minus charge, negative. Given minus 30. Then this will be positive. So in a capacitor, generally one plate is negative means the other plate should be positive. When this is positive, this has to be negative. This is negative, this has to be positive. Because the two things are in series with this. The parallel combination is in series with this. Therefore, charge on the right side plate of 6 microfarad is positive. That is also 18. So plus 18 will be the answer.